Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute stand for your earrings. If you need a stand display, this is quite easy to make. It's made of paper, and I suggest that you will use a thick piece of paper. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute stand display. I will use this kind of paper. It's quite thick. It's the back of a paper pack, and we will use a ruler. My piece of paper is 8 centimeter per 8 centimeter. It's a square, and we will need to trace the center of this square. It's 4 centimeter. Okay, and now you can, if you want, start with a cutter, and then 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. You can do in this way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then the same here. Voila. Okay, from 5 to 8 here. Voila, and we will have this result. Now we will need to cut here, and we will create a sort of a T letter, sort of a T. Voila, and here the same. And if you don't have a cutting mat and a cutter, you can cut this with a pair of scissors, like I will do in this way. Voila, here you can refine your T with the pair of scissors. Voila. Okay, now we will need to create to fold this part, the bottom part, 1 meter, and then with your pair of scissors you will need to cut here like this. Okay, now fold back and forth in this way. Voila, we will have this form. Okay, now we will need to create this part, and we will have to trace here and here. Okay, and with the cutter and ruler you will need to cut here this line. Okay, here you can see. Okay, now we will need to insert this here, and with some white glue, voila, we will glue these two pieces in this way. So we will have our T here. Okay, with some glue, some tacky glue. This part you will glue in this way, and this part you will glue it in this way. So voila, press down because it's quite thick, this paper. You need to press very well your paper. Okay, now if you want, you can cancel this and this. You can cancel better maybe before. Sorry. Okay, now we need to create the 2 hole, and you can also improve your stand in this way, but now we will punch the hole for the earring, and this way here my first hole, and the other one you can measure with the ruler the distance. Voila. Okay, and then you can fold a little your piece of paper in this way, and your stand is ready. Here your stand display. Voila. And you can create this stand display bigger, smaller, as you prefer, in many different color. Better to add also at the bottom this part, so your stand will be more stable. Okay, you can glue this part with some tacky glue. And this way. Voila. Leave it to dry, and then you can give it okay. Leave it to dry, and it will stay perfectly, will stand perfectly in this way. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.